my darlings, it's so nice to see everyone again. I know it has been a while, I've been busy with the virtual showcase for the studio, but now it's done. We have been all excited about this. We have new adventures with the studio coming up in December and then in March. But now I have a little bit time to pay attention to you ladies and finally answer your main request that you keep asking me to show you how to do. It's makeup for ballroom competition. So here we go. In the next couple of videos, I'm going to show you how to do makeup for professional or amateur competitor, step by step. So it will be several of them, so please subscribe that you always will get new released videos. And somebody asked me that question, in order to subscribe, do you have to pay? No, you don't have to pay, it's completely free. Just subscribe to the channel and every time when I have something new, you will get it right away. Alright, let's start today. And today the topic will be how to prepare your skin and your face for your competition makeup. So first of all, we have to wash our face, right? So as you can see, my face completely free of makeup. I washed it, and what I'm going to do, I'm gonna also to wash it with micellar water. So we're gonna to wash with the water, and you can buy this water anywhere. So after this, I would recommend you to use toner, and depending on your skin, you might have different toner. I got that one. I called it moody toner. So, and what I like, it's in a way of spray. I feel very fresh after this. So I'm getting toner for my type of skin. After the toner, we're gonna to put their face cream, and I use this one. But again, please use the face cream that good for your type of skin, mixed, oily or dry. What I can tell you that if you have normal or dry skin, you have to put face cream a little bit more than usually, because foundation for competition makeup, it has a tendency to dry up your skin a little bit more. So you really have to prepare your skin that it's gonna be dried up a little bit more than regularly, because you're gonna put quite heavy foundation on the face. And voila, I put a lot of cream on my face. I'm going to wait till it dries up, but meanwhile I'm going to take shadow primer, and I'm going to put this primer on my eyes. That will help my eyeshadows to be more bright, stay longer, and have more dents. Here you go. I'm going to wait for a couple of seconds to make sure that my skin will absorb all of my face cream and my primer, and then I will come back to you in a couple. The next step will be to put the foundation primer on your skin. I have 3 of my favorites, which is I found quite great when I'm using my foundation for competition makeup, and here they are. So honestly, for me, out of 3, all 3 work. You can try them and see if you like them. But I'm gonna use today the Maybelline Master Prime base, which is hydrate and smooth. And again, because I mentioned before, your foundation, which is you're gonna use for competition makeup, has a tendency to dry up your skin. So I'm trying to use also the primer that will help me to keep my skin hydrated and not flaky later on. Alright, now I have all of these products on my face. So first, the step is going to be to clean your face. Second of all, to put the toner. Third of all, to put the face cream. and the fourth to put foundation primer. So this is 4 steps that you have to do to prepare your face as a canvas to put the rest of the makeup. Alright, that will be my first video of the day. Thank you so much, subscribe, and the next one we're going to talk about the eyebrows. Thank you, bye!